Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today I'm here with a new job update. So we will discuss about that. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker, then this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. And today's job update, if I talk about, so today's hiring we will it is for software development engineer from MountBlue. So MountBlue is hiring for software development engineer and this is an entry level position. Location for this will be Bangalore and salary will be 4 LPA. Basically this is 4 lakh 800 rupees, but consider it 4 LPA because if you talk about 4 LPA, so this 800 rupees doesn't matter. So this CTC will be for LPA. If I talk about company overview, so MountBlue is a premium services provider and is looking for the smart and motivated programmers to join their team. The candidate must have programming experience in at least one of the following languages, that are JavaScript, Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, C or C++. Selected candidate go through an extensive 12 to 13 weeks training program and on successful completing the requirements of the program will be offered the role of a software development engineer. So basically you should know at least one programming language. With that you will go through the selection process. After selection process, in the selection process, if you get selected, then you will go through a 12 to 13 weeks training. In that they will teach you something, and after that also you may have some assessment kind of things, and if you clear all those things, then after successfully completing of your training, you will be offered the role of software engineer, okay, software development engineer, okay. Now let's look at the responsibilities. So responsibilities will be: work in a team to develop, compile, test, debug and deploy software, and develop web and mobile applications using JavaScript, Python, Java, HTML and CSS, okay. Ensure close to 100% timely and defect-free software deployment, and write documentation for the software and APIs. Support software during production and provide hot fixes, okay. So these will be your responsibilities. You should know at least one programming language, okay. Now qualification: familiarity with at least one programming language, for example JavaScript, Java, PHP or Python. Good analytical and problem solving skills, and self motivated with ability to work in a fast paced environment. Excellent verbal and written communication skills, and eagerness to learn new technology. So these are the basic qualifications they want. Actually they have not mentioned anything about any degree or any batch, so anyone can apply having the same skills, I can say. If you know one programming language, then you can apply for this job, because all other qualifications are so basic, and you will if you don't have good analytical skills, then you can develop that in you. And nowadays everyone have the excellent verbal and communication skills, because English is needed in everywhere, and eagerness to learn new technologies. These are very basic qualifications. So just if you know any of the programming language from JavaScript, Java, Python or PHP, then you can definitely apply for this job. Doesn't matter from which background you are from, non-technical or technical, whatever degree you have done, whatever year batch pass out you are, you just have to have the required skills, okay, required qualifications basically. Now benefits will be: perfect launchpad for a high flying career in technology, and you will get the opportunity to interact with and learn from the CTOs and directors of engineering of leading technology startups in India. Okay. To learn more, you can read about the company or about this job in the Glassdoor by going to this link. Okay. Now, this if you have any queries, then you can write to hello@mountblue.io. So you will get your query resolved. Now, anyone can apply for this job. Condition is that you should have any one programming language knowledge. Okay. So I will provide this link in the description box. So do apply for this job, and for apply you need to click on this apply with Google button and then complete your application. Okay. So after completing your application, they will look at your application, verify it, and if you will meet their eligibility criteria, then they will send you the further emails, and further they will take a written assessment, I guess, and after that you will have interview. Then if you get selected in all these things, then you will have your training, that will be for 12 to 13 weeks, so that can be approximately 3-4 months, and after that you will be offered the role of software development engineer. Okay. So this will be all the process till you get the full-time job opportunity. Okay. So this is all for today's video. One thing here I want to share with you guys, that if you are from any background and if you want to go to the technical field, if you want to work with MNCs, then just focus on your skills. Basically, in today's world, they just see your skills. They don't judge you by your degree, because there are so many people who somehow incidentally do any degree, but after that they learn things. So basically every company look for the skills they want. So if you are someone who are from non-technical background and now want to switch to technical, just focus on your skills, learn any programming language, and just make sure that you will be able to crack any interview if you get chance, because at this point you have a chance. Okay. So this is all, and yeah, this is all for today's video. If you have any doubt, you can comment me down, so I will be really happy to help you. And do subscribe guys, and also hit the like button, because your subscription and like means a lot to us. It is a kind of support to us which we really need. And share this with your friends and family, whoever can apply for this job, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.